Hey guys, my name's Phil. I've just recently unboxed the Keychron V4. I got the RGB one. Um, you can kind of see the lights there. It does like pretty cool stuff. Sorry, I should tell you what I got. Sorry, I got the RGB one with an aluminium base and a um, uh, with the swappable keys. Swappable switches. The switches. Anyway, so yeah, I'll just first show you the RGB. This is my first impressions of the Keychron V4. Um, Sorry, in the background you might hear my cat. Um, just ignore him. And if you hear me, no, fuck. Sorry, it's trying to piss on the floor again. Um, so this is my first impressions. So far, it's really good. Really easy to swap between various um, settings. You can see. Hopefully, that's coming across. Um, I haven't really figured out what my favorite is yet. Probably not like lots of lights. Probably just like one steady color, which oh, that's turned off. Oh, it's not coming back on. Oh wait, here it is. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. All right, it's back on. I wonder how I get it. There we go. That's just one color. Hang on, I just gotta change it. Oh fuck, hang on. No, wait, no, yep. Um, so this is my first impression video. I'm just trying to get it lined up so you can really see it. Maybe actually, I wonder if it'd be better if I go like this. Yeah, that's way better. For you? Yeah, cool. Um, and so, well, how do I type now? Fuck, fuck. Oh, I should, hang on. I'm just gonna, sorry for the quick edit. I realized if I show it to, I can't really type, and I gotta type to have a reaction, right? Um, so yeah, I'm just gonna type now. I'm gonna lean really close so you can try and hear it. Oh no, it's pausing. Oh, oh, hang on. I'm gonna have to, wait, just, oh, this is really hard. Hang on. Alright, ready? So that's the sounds. It is quite nice, really. Um, yeah. Overall, it cost me 170 bucks. It arrived within 2 days. It's pretty hefty. Like it weighs a bit. Like don't reckon I need to go to the gym. Yeah, when I'm using it. Well, carrying it. Um, that's. Hang on. I'm just gonna. Thanks for coming to my first impressions of the Keychron. Overall, think it's a really great keyboard. Really excited to see it with no cables, but I got to charge it. Thanks.